Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Shackle that consists of a metal loop that can be locked around the wrist, usually used in pairs. Cuff, handlock, manacle. Confine or restrain with or as if with manacles or handcuffs. The police handcuffed the suspect at the scene of the crime. Cuff, manacle.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.